A drop of mysterious liquid fell onto a dying grass carp, and something bizarre happened. The fish suddenly started spitting out saliva continuously. At first, everyone thought it was just a dying struggle, but the saliva kept increasing, spreading outward rapidly. Within seconds, the fish was submerged in its own saliva, and then, miraculously, it began to swim around inside it. Everyone stared in disbelief at the liquid's magical effect, but no one realized this was the beginning of a massive disaster. One of the men involved in the experiment, driven by greed, pulled a gun on the scientist Wei Gei, who had discovered the mysterious liquid. While Wei Gei wasn't looking, the man shot him coldly. The impact shattered the vial, and the strange liquid spilled all over the floor. As it touched Wei Gei, his body began to weaken. He grew disoriented, and horrifyingly, a starfish started growing on his arm. Before he could react, massive amounts of saliva gushed from his mouth like a never-ending fountain. He eventually drowned in his own saliva, and only then did the spouting stop. The spilled liquid began to spread. Water surged uncontrollably through the base. Workers fled in panic, but it was too late. Water burst through the ventilation system, flooded the entire lab, and rapidly froze over, sealing everything in ice. Elsewhere, people were still playing on the beach, completely unaware of the looming threat. Suddenly, a woman noticed something terrifying. A massive wave of icy wind was rushing from the ocean. The crowd screamed and scattered. Before they could escape, countless icicles rained from the sky. Thunder cracked. Dark clouds blanketed the city. Temperatures dropped at lightning speed. People began to shiver uncontrollably. The roads froze solid. Jagged icicles pierced through moving cars, making escape impossible. Within moments, a fine layer of frost engulfed the entire earth.